I'm BB Balaji, working as a general manager in Malik Tata Hyderabad Private Limited. Past 2 years I was general manager here. I'm satisfied with Madhus garage. I know Adi more than 2 years, so their equipment is very nice. So that is why I recommend for new workshop also at Kotapet. So we are discussing about the wheel element wheel balancing for the Hunter company only. So I prefer for Kotapet workshop for Hunter company only. इधर का हंटर मिशन में मेरे व्हील एलिमेंट के बैलेंसर भी है एंड इवन टायर चेंजर भी है मेरे पास. एंड फॉर मधुस वी हैव स्पॉट वेल्डिंग, मिग वेल्डिंग, बहुत अच्छा है, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो अभी तक. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज इन हरियर एंड सफारी व्हीकल पुलिंग ऑन साइड. आफ्टर टेकिंग मिशंस ऑफ हंटर वी हैव रिजॉल्व दोस थिंग्स with customer satisfaction. Yeah, Madhus service is very nice. We don't have any issue with this one. When I call for any issues, they are attending immediately. So thank you for Madhu Garage. They are providing very best equipment to me. So in future also we are planning to take only Madhus.